cars from different countries. Germany Volkswagen, Czech Republic Skoda, United States Ford, Germany BMW, Germany Mercedes-Benz, Germany Porsche, United States General Motors, Japan Honda, Japan Toyota, England Bentley, Germany Audi, United States Cadillac, Germany Opel, Japan Acura, Italy Ferrari, Italy Fiat, South Korea Hyundai, Italy Lamborghini, Australia Minetti, Japan Mazda, Japan Nissan, Japan Subaru, France Bugatti, Sweden Volvo, India Mahindra.